A Gucci goo? A Gucci goo. Who's a good little subwoofer? Who's a good little guy? Oh, hey guys. Sorry, I didn't see you there. You might be wondering why I'm tickling my subwoofer like a little baby. Well, we're about to find out, so stay tuned.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
What's up everybody, Barrett here back again with Spec of Tech. Welcome to my channel. Talk about a cringy opening, right? But if you can't have fun with your YouTube channel, what can you have fun with? The reason I was doing that is because I've been hinting in previous videos that I have something big on order. So today we're going to talk about some of the details of what I have on order. But before we get into all that, if you are new here and you do want to know what I'm getting and you do want to see the unboxings and the review that'll follow, make sure that you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. And if you guys are liking the videos, please do hit the like button. It helps out my channel. So today we're going to talk about the secret massive thing that I have on order. Actually, it was a moderator buddy of mine from a Canadian audio group, John V. He also purchased one at the same time along with me, so shout out to John V. And me and him couldn't really agree on a nickname, but I have chosen a nickname for my subwoofer that I think is very fitting, which I'll tell you later on in the video, so make sure you stick around. So you may be asking yourself, how big is this thing that I have on order? Well, currently I have dual Power Sound Audio TV3612 subwoofers. These have dual 18-inch drivers. They're 211 pounds each. They are 28 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 48 inches tall. That's pretty big, but this is much bigger. So you must be thinking to yourself, well, the JTR Captivator 4000 is a massive subwoofer, and it is. It's a dual 18-inch driver as well. It weighs 265 pounds, and just to make sure I get the measurements right, let me look here. It's 41.5 inches tall, 20.5 inches wide, and 39.5 inches deep. That's really big, and that's really heavy. But this is bigger still. So for those of you that know your subwoofers, you gotta be thinking to yourself, well then surely the Power Sound Audio TV42 must be bigger, or at least as big of what I have ordered. Well, again, that is a big subwoofer, and just to make sure I get the specs right, let me just look over on my computer here. So the Power Sound Audio TV42 is dual 21-inch drivers. It's 28 inches deep, 24 inches wide, and 54 inches tall, and it weighs 277 pounds. Again, that is a massive subwoofer, but this is still bigger. All right, so you must be thinking, well, what is bigger about the subwoofer that I have ordered? Well, the physical dimensions are bigger. The driver itself is bigger than all the previous mentioned subwoofers. It weighs more, and the amplifier has more power than all the previous mentioned subwoofers. And on top of all that, I believe it looks really nice. So of course I will be doing an unboxing, probably some room measurements, as well as a review video about this subwoofer when I do get it. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But before we talk more about the subwoofer, I just wanted to bring up the movie of the week. So all my videos that are home theater related, I do a movie of the week. And basically all it is a 4K title that is $20 or less. And the link is down in the description below. If you guys are interested in that, go check it out down there. All right, so in the beginning of the video, I promised that I would tell you the nickname that I gave this subwoofer, and actually my buddy John and I couldn't agree on a nickname, so his is nicknamed something else. But I decided on a nickname that I think is very fitting for this subwoofer, and the nickname is
The Omega.
Actually, my buddy John and I have a pretty cringy mantra that we came up with about subwoofers. Keep in mind that this was around the same time that Bad Boys for Life came out. Actually, maybe I won't tell you guys the mantra. It's pretty cringy. It's pretty bad. Well, I'll tell you what. If this video can get to 100 likes, if this video gets to 100 likes on the unboxing video, I'll tell you the mantra. As embarrassing as it is, I will tell you guys if we get 100 likes. Okay? All right. So what is the Omega? Well, obviously you guys have figured out by now it's a subwoofer. I haven't exactly been secretive about that. But this subwoofer does promise performance, or low-end performance, that will outperform the JTR Captivator 4000 and should be comparative or similar in the higher frequencies or mid-range bass frequencies. So besides just being a subwoofer, it is actually a fairly rare subwoofer at the moment. Only a handful of people in the world own this subwoofer, and even fewer own the version that myself and John have ordered. And as far as I know, I will be the first one to have a video about this subwoofer on YouTube, period. And besides that, pictures are even hard to find of this thing. So it's pretty unique, it's pretty rare. I think you guys are gonna enjoy when I do debut this on YouTube. It's a subwoofer that I believe should be on everybody's radar, not just because of the performance, but the way it looks and the fact that it is unique. So I just want to clear something up as well. The previous hints that I've been giving and this video itself isn't me bragging. I'm not saying, oh, look at me, I have this massive thing on order and oh, I got this big subwoofer coming. It's not about that. It's not about bragging. It's more just that this subwoofer is worthy of being on people's radars and I want more people to know about it. I know it seems kind of opposite of that, saying it's a big secret, but that's just more of the entertaining way of me bringing this subwoofer to you guys and letting you know about it and getting you all interested so that when I do get it and I do show it to you, it'll all make sense in the end. But it's definitely not me bragging. I'm not trying to show off here, guys. Okay, I know that there is some of you guys out there that do know what this subwoofer is, those that are kind of closer to my circle. So please don't drop your comments below and spoil the surprise for everybody. But that doesn't mean that I don't want to hear from those of you that don't know what this is. So I would like to know what you guys think it is, what subwoofer you might have an idea of what it is. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you think this is. Not that I'll confirm or deny, but I would just be interested to see what you guys think it is. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up this video. All I wanted to do is give you some details on the performance, the size of this thing, to give you an idea of the scale of it. I obviously don't want to give away all the details until the unboxing, but if you guys are interested in this subwoofer and you are curious to know what it is, make sure you subscribe and tick the bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. I'm waiting on this subwoofer right now. It is built to order, so I should be getting it sometime in July, hopefully, unless things get pushed back, which hopefully they don't, fingers crossed, but I will keep you guys posted on that. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please do hit the like button and stay techie.